local, motivated, talented artist working his way in about in the music industry. Naye ufuna ukuthi anishile umlando nje unawungena ingoma yakhe lethi Matwotsa.
Yeah.
Uyakunika Matwotsa ukuthi abuye ingoma.
Nkosi yami ngoba vele basilangata. Basilangata. Yeah.
Tshela umlaleli ngoba ukuthi wena ungubani uqhamuka ngaphi.
Okay. This is TBOAS LINKONYANE from Stegi. Stegi 5 Mzilikazi 4. Okay, that's where I was born and raised. So, ngiyana ngumculo and hustling.
Okay.
Yeah, so by the way, igama lami lokuqala ngimthaba ngoMazibusibo
Nemambala.
Yeah. And surprisingly ke bengathi TBOAS LINKONYANE it's an upcoming artist. Umfana wemhlabeleli. It's Duma Namangonyane. So
it runs in the family.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we go to the wasekhaya wathi nawe ngifuna udindele mina. Though I suspect, correct me if I'm wrong, ukuthi Bale was singing a totally different genre from this one you're singing now. Is that true?
Yeah.
Okay, what was he singing?
Baba umhlabelo umbhacanga.
Silapho ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi nje qhubeka mzana ngithi.
Yeah, umhlabelo umbhacanga. So
manje ingoma simdlele. Ufuna simdlele wena. Hayi ngiyamtshela siqhubeke ngenza.
Okay. So TBOAS LINKONYANE is working on an album. He featured the likes of upcoming artists like Young Angel.